Make ghee at home. If you collect malai from boiled milk every day, you can make ghee easily at home. Add 2 spoons curd to the stored malai, mix it well, keep it at room temperature for 10 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, mix the malai well with blender hand, electric. Add cold water, blend again, butter would separate and come on the surface. Collect that butter in a separate bowl. For 2 to 3 times, add water, blend it well, separate the butter. Add the separated butter to a wok. Heat on slow flame until it turns liquid. Keep a ladle in the wok and keep stirring occasionally.